gonna show you fuse box location on Nissan Frontier. So the first one will be on the passenger side. So if you go in here, open this, and it's right in here. To open it, you just go like this, and there it is. And the location of them is right in here, where which fuse goes. To close it back up, you just similarly how you took it off. There you go. There's also, I'm gonna show you, it has OBD port. So to get to the OBD port, it's right under the steering wheel, like the usual most of the cars, and it's right in here. That's to plug in the computer to check the check engine light or other stuff for the car. So that's the OBD port. And then the second fuse box location is gonna be under the hood. To open it, there's a latch in here, and there should be like one fuse and one relay, so two more I'll show you. So to open this, there's this knob to hold the hood right there. Like that. So let's get to the second fuse box location. It's right in here. To open it, you gotta press in here, and then there's one more here, and it comes off. And there's all your fuses on this side and then on this side. And the location for these ones are right here, and the location for the other ones are right there. Close it, you gotta put it this way, just like this. Line it up, make sure this side clicks and this side. There you go. To get to this third one, it's right here. To open it, you have to pull it. There it is. It's like a relay box. Close it, and there's one fuse in there. There you go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.